Are you wondering how to be more creative in your life and at work? Being creative is not only about writing a book, painting, or composing music. We are creative when we cook, discipline our kids, or stick to a budget. According to research, using our creativity in our everyday life increases positive emotions, reduces stress, and improves our immune system. The first step to be more creative is to keep in mind that when we do something we have never done before, we copy from more experienced people. When we start a new job, we copy the behavior of our boss or successful co-workers. Learning is copying from others. The same thing happens with creative work, such as writing, painting, or playing an instrument. These 10 ideas to be more creative are based on Austin Kleon's book, Steal Like an Artist. The ideas in the book apply to anyone who's trying to inject some creativity into their life and their work, and that should describe all of us. 1. Steal and copy what you love. Artists try to figure out what is worth stealing. Instead of worrying about what is good or bad, there is only stuff worth stealing and stuff that is not worth stealing. David Bowie says, "The only art I'll ever study is stuff that I can steal from." We are a mashup of what we love and let into our life. We collect, learn, and copy what we love and resonate with us. 2. Make your own creative family tree. Start with one thinker you really love. Then find 3 thinkers that influence your favorite one. Once you build your own family tree, it's time to start your own branch. Your job is to collect good ideas. The more good ideas you collect, the more you can choose from to be influenced by. Steal from anywhere that resonates with inspiration or fuels your imagination. Devour old films, new films, music, books, paintings, photographs, poems, dreams, random conversations, architecture, bridges, street signs, trees, clouds, bodies of water, light and shadows. Select only things to steal from that speak directly to your soul. If you do this, your work and theft will be authentic. Jim Jarmusch. Number 3. Start before you are ready. Don't wait to do your work until you know who you are. Actively making things helps you figure out who you are. Pretend to be making something until you make it. Dress the part. We learn by pretending to be our heroes. You might be scared to start. That's natural. Make things with the time, space, and materials you have right now. 4. Don't worry about imposter syndrome. The clinical definition is a psychological phenomenon in which people are unable to internalize their accomplishments. It means that you feel like a phony, like you're just winging it, and that you really don't have any idea what you are doing. Guess what? None of us do. Ask anybody doing truly creative work and they will tell you the truth. They don't know where the good stuff comes from. They just show up and do their thing every day. Fake it till you make it. There are 2 ways to read it. The first one, pretend to be something you are not until you are. Fake it until you're successful and everybody sees you the way you want them to. Or a second one to think about is pretend to be making something until you actually make something. You have to dress for the job you want, not the job you have. And you have to start doing the work you want to be doing. If we want to be more creative, we have to figure out who and what to copy. 6. Copy your heroes. Copy the people you love, the people you are inspired by, the people you want to be. You want to internalize their way of looking at the world. 7. Create what you like. Write the story you want to read. Think about your favorite work and your creative heroes. If all your favorite makers got together and collaborated, what would they make with you leading the crew? Go, make that stuff. Draw the art you want to see. Start the business you want to run. Play the music you want to hear. Write the books you want to read. Build the products you want to use. Do the work you want to see done. 8. Get your body involved. Don't sit in front of your computer all day long. Move, make something with your body. Take time to be bored. Do the dishes, walk the dog when you are out of ideas. Keep your day job. It's important to have a routine and to know that you will be able to pay the bills. 9. Nurture all your passions. If you have 2 or 3 activities that you enjoy, keep all of them. If you love different things, you just keep spending time with them. It's so important to have a hobby. A hobby is something creative, just for you. You do it because it makes you happy. Do good work and share it with people. Create your own world. 10. Be aware of the life of a project. Austin Kleon shares this graphic in the book. It perfectly describes every blog post I write, every video I make, and every DIY project I start. This is the best idea ever. Then you say, okay, this is harder than I thought. After working a little bit, this is gonna take some work. A couple of days later, you think, this sucks and it's boring. And then comes the dark night of the soul, where you think, is it really worth to continue working on this? But you keep going and you think, it will be good to finish it because I will learn something for next time. And as you continue working, you think it's done and it sucks, but not as bad as I thought. It is helpful to be aware that our excitement and enthusiasm will wear off as we move ahead with the project. In addition, after working for a while on a project, we will discover difficulties we did not anticipate. However, moving forward anyway and doing our best work will give us a sense of accomplishment in the end. Many times, when after a few years we look back at what we thought was horrible work, we realize it was not that bad. Also, think of it as a stepping stone for better work to come in the future. Embrace your limitations and keep moving forward. Only concentrate on what is important. If you want more ideas on how to be more creative, you may find them in the book Still Like an Artist by Austin Kleon. What is your next step to be more creative? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell button so you know when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.